Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today we will study about mutation breeding and their role in fruit crops. If we go for mutation breeding, first of all we have to know about the mutation. So what is mutation? Mutation is the sudden and heritable change in the character of an organism. Means when suddenly changes occur in the genetic sequence of an organism is known as mutation. And mutations are generally harmful to the organism or plant, but beneficial mutation also occurs. If beneficial mutation occurs in the plant, it used for breeding purpose, and mutation are of two types: spontaneous mutation and induced mutation. Spontaneous mutation, also known as natural mutation, because this type of mutation naturally occurs in the population without any treatment by man. The rate of this type of mutation is very low in plants. And induced mutation, also known as artificial mutation. This type of mutation artificially induced in the plants by using certain physical or chemical agents. Now mutagens. What is mutagens? Mutagens are agents that induce mutations in plant or organism are known as mutagens. And these mutagens may be can be chemical compounds or radiations. These are used for the alteration of genetic sequence in plant or organism and which induce mutations. And these mutagens are of two types: physical mutagens and chemical mutagens. Physical mutagens are also of two types: ionizing radiation and non-ionizing radiation. In ionizing radiations, particulate radiation and non-particulate radiation comes. Particulate radiations are alpha rays, beta rays, fast neutrons and thermal neutrons. And non-particulate radiations are X-rays and gamma rays. Non-ionizing radiation is ultraviolet radiation. These radiation are used in a very high frequency to alter the genetic sequences in the plant or organism and that induce mutations in plant. And chemical mutagens are alkylating agents, acridine dyes, base analogues, and others. In others, nitrous acid, hydroxylamine, and sodium azide are comes. These chemicals are also used for the alteration of genetic sequences in plant or organism and that induce mutations in plant. Now, history of mutation breeding. Radiation breeding was discovered in the 1920s when Louis Stadler used X-rays on maize and barley in the University of Mysore. In the year 1928, Stadler first published his findings on radiation-induced mutagenesis in plants. Ruby Red, which is the first commercial grapefruit cultivar with red pigmented fruit and luster peel, originated from a spontaneous mutation discovered in Texas in the year 1929. The term mutation breeding was first coined by Priest, Levin and Lane in the year 1944. This is important, which refers the deliberate induction and development of mutant lines for crop improvement. Star Ruby, which is also a grapefruit cultivar released in Texas in 1970, was obtained by thermal neutron irradiation of Hudson seeds. Now mutation breeding. What is mutation breeding? Mutation breeding is the genetic improvement of plants for various economic characters through the use of natural and induced mutations. Means through natural and induced mutations, if any desirable characters develop in the plant, this mutant cultivar are bred with other cultivars and develop new cultivar, and it is the commonly used in self-pollinated and asexually propagated species. And this process is exposing seed to chemical or radiations in order to generate mutants with desirable traits to be bred with other cultivars. Now, when we go for mutation breeding in fruit crops or plant, there are some situations occurs in fruit crops or plant. Then we go for mutation breeding to overcome these type of problems. First one is when the desired variability is not found in the cultivated varieties or in the germplasm of cultivated species. Then we go for mutation breeding. And when a high yielding varieties has oligogenic defect, then also we go for mutation breeding to overcome this problem. And when there is a tight linkage between desirable and undesirable characters, mutation breeding is the best way to overcome this type of problems. When in fruit crops, improvement has to be made without change in the taste and color of the fruit, then we also go for mutation breeding. In fruit and plantation crop, the generation cycle is very long. So mutation breeding is the shortcut way of generating improvement in these type of plants. Now, procedure of mutation breeding. If we go for mutation breeding, we have to follow some basic steps. First one is choice of material. The best adapted variety of a crop should be chosen. For mutation breeding, we have to choose best variety, and only one and two features of such variety have to be altered through mutagenesis depending upon the objective of mutation breeding. For example, any fruit crop produces good nutritive value fruit, but the color of this fruit is not that much good. For increasing the value of this fruit, we want to change the color of this fruit. We select the variety for inducing the mutation mm, in this fruit crop. And second one is choice of mutagen. The physical and chemical mutagens are used for the induction of mutations, and the choice of mutagen depend upon the plant part to be treated. The chemical mutagens mainly used for the seed treatment, and radiation mutagens mainly used for the treatment of vegetative part of the plant. Now third step is mutagenic treatment. Mutagenic treatment takes three things in account. First one is plant species, in which species we want to induce mutation, and second one is dose of mutagen, how much dose we applied for induce mutation in plant species, and third one is duration of treatment and how much time takes to induce mutation in plant species. And third and last step is handling of treated material. Handling of treated material is different in seed propagated species, and vegetatively propagated species are different. And now application of mutation breeding in crop improvement. And first one is to induce desirable mutant alleles which were not available. And second one is to improve specific character of well adapted high yielding variety. To and next one is to improve qualitative characters like yield. And F1 can be treated to create variability. And last one is to transfer a chromosome segment carrying desirable gene. Thanks for watching. If you have any query, comment down below. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.